you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. What you running here?
Alright, man. I got 4 15 American bass. I got 8 BNC. And I got 4 McLaren on the windows.
Yeah.
Power the bass apart by a 20K sound digital. And I got 2 3500 watt marks powering the doors and the windows.
Yes, sir.
So let me get a little show of it.
You got a lot in there.
A lot, man.
Thank you. Yeah, man, we're at Leez Customs again. Y'all know they do it up, man. Real nice, real nice. As y'all can see right there, real nice. Of course, y'all know the audio may not be perfect, but we're going for it anyway.
Sometimes a mystery.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.